Hi, so in this lesson, we're going to look at pages. Pages are a form of content within Shopify. And we've already looked at one form of content, which is our products. Remember back, we created a bunch of products. This is a form of content. And then we've already done a couple of things with that content. We've organized it through collections, and then we've created the navigation so that we can display that content onto our website. So Pages is just another form of content, but it's very specific to the online store. Just like navigation, your page is not going to show up in any other form of sales channel that you connect to Shopify. It's only going to show up in your online store. Okay, so let's have a look at Pages. And pages are different to blog posts. We will come to blog posts later, but the primary difference with a page is that it's a fixed piece of content. It's a piece of content that you're not constantly updating and constantly changing. Of course, you can come in and change it, but a blog is more like an ongoing story, a newspaper. You're publishing something all the time, whereas pages have the intent of staying there and being there for a lengthy period of time. Okay, so to create a page, it's pretty simple. We just click Add Page. Now we're going to do 2 pages today just to show you how to do it, and what I'd like you to do in the project afterwards is create those 2 pages in your own website as well. So the first one we're going to do is create the About Us page. I'm just going to call it About Us. Now we've got a basic window here, just like in the product. It's basically what you see is what you get window. You can add images, you can add video, you can add tables to organize it, you can create links, and you can format your fonts in various ways. I'm just going to go over and grab an About Me from an existing website. I'm going to go to my own website, germinate.com, and just grab the About Me section off this page so that, there you go, this is about Germinate. That'll do me. Yep. Come on. There we go. Copy. Let's go back. So I'm going to just paste it in here for now. Okay, so that could be as simple as that. That could be my About Me page. Now, if I wanted to add an image, let's say at the top, I could just go in and find an image from my computer. It could either be an uploaded image that I've already put onto the site, or I can upload a file. Okay, so let's just go and upload one. It's just for the sake of showing you this. I'm going to use my gecko wall art again. Of course, that doesn't make sense on this page, but it'll work for now. Okay, click on there, and I can give it its alt text. So I can put About Me. I can decide what size to display the image. I'm going to leave it as just a 480 by 480. So, and now we can see it's there in our what you see is what you get editor. And obviously this is not a great design or anything like that. Let's just put a return in there to push it down and save that. And I can view that page again by clicking on the eye signature here. Let's go over and have a look at that. Okay, nothing special. It's got a picture at the top and then it's got some text. I'm going to just organize that a little bit into a couple of columns by using a table. And I can move that picture. Well, it might be best just to delete that picture and then insert it into here. Well, let's insert some rows first. So let's click on there again. Insert column after. There we go. So now I can take this text here, copy it, paste it, get rid of this. We don't want it twice. And then I can come in here, and now I can insert that picture again. And let's make it a bit smaller this time because that was a bit big. I'm going to still give it some alt text. This is stuff that's good for the search engine optimization. Insert that, can save it, just to sort of give you a feel for how you can start to make this look a bit better. Let's F5 that. There we go. And you can see it's starting to look a bit more like a page. So you can do all your sort of work on your About Us page there. Okay, so now what I want to do now after I've saved that is I want to create a new page. So let's go back to pages again. And I want to do the Contact Us page. Now it's a standard feature. Whoops, it's not there. Let's click add page. There we go. Contact us. One of the things you'll notice about a lot of content in Shopify, but particularly pages, is you've got this template options here. And depending on the theme you have, depends on what options are going to be there. This is a standard theme. I'm working on the default theme, and it's got page and it's got page contact as two different themes. There's two different templates for pages. And you can make other templates for pages if you want to get into the liquid programming, and we'll show you how to do that at the very end. But it's not going to really be the subject of this course because this is a very basic course. But and if some of your paid themes will have additional templates there. But let's just go to page content and click save. And I want to show you what that's going to do. It's because that page is already set up to be a page content. If I go there now, look at that, it's created a basic contact us page. That contact page, when you click send, is going to send you an email with the information from that message. So that's 2 pages that we have created today. Now, if we want to build those pages into our online store, because as you can see, they're not in our navigation, we would have to go to our navigation and add them. So let's just go and add here the contact us page. Contact us page here, and I'll just search for it here. There it is. Add, save, go back to the main site, refresh it with an F5, and in the footer down the bottom of this page you'll see the contact us, and that link will take us to the contact us page. Okay, that's pages.